Yep, sanibonani guys, I'm here to say what I think. Njenge-South African football fan, apart from being a Pirates fan, I'm a South African football lover. And if something I don't like, I must say it, bafethu. You can't treat Saleng this way, bafethu. Okay, so I understand. Amona Pule Saleng cannot play against the Pirates. Fine. Why did you loan the boy in the first place? Umlonelano Saleng. Okay, number 2, yeah. Why you extend the contract yakhe before umsenda kulona beyophela i-contract phela ngasidala? You could have easily terminated or wangai or reinstate or wangai extend the contract. You could have easily did that, bafana. As bafethu singama-fan mara into ebulalwa umuntu omnyama oyi-South African njengathi befanele singayivumi. Asiyali usayinile contract uSaleng yokuthi ukhola leyo 3 rand leyo. Mase kafuna i-50 rand and I deserve. Why ungamniki? Okay, if awukhona ukumnika miyekele aye la bazomnika khona bafethu. Into engifuna unikhomba yona bafethu ukuthi umuntu omnyama bafethu uyakhona ucindezela umuntu omnyama. Yes. But yeah, usayinile contract. Nawe lo bheke le video uyasebenza la usebenza khona abakubhadali imali enough. Mara uyasebenza and uyisayinile contract. But mawufika emsebenzi soyabona ukuthi hayi man lo msebenzi onguyenzayo I deserve an increase. And ungayitholi. Awusho ukuthi wrong ngoba wena so deserve increase. Bheka mayisaleng bafethu ucindezelwa umuntu omnyama bafana. Umuntu omnyama to show ukuthi umuntu omnyama ucruel njani bafana. Asiyali noma beka wrong uSaleng mara mase afuna ukuhamba ningazwani. Phela ngeke ngithi mina ngizwani nawe. Mara wena umcashi wami awufuni ngihambe, ufuna ngichubeke ngihlupheke lana. Guys. Ama fan bafethu laba abobhuti bethu aboSaleng, abobhuti bethu. We should have befanele sibalwele abobhuti bethu labo. Intwana zasekasi lethu lezi. Saleng uyo wrong. Wrong njani umfana lo asilwele sawina amacup? Wrong njani? Kufika abantu abanyuse bahola bo 350,000 wena uhola 2 bob le phansi and uwe obhidle ibrand njengoba sesiyibona imile kanje.